because it's easier to consume. But I'm really afraid that once we have like a really nice adoption of this, and people will have like a whole page using just custom tags, imagine like we need really good documentation for each of those. Otherwise, like imagine a new developer in the team, and then they, okay, now I need to learn this thing, and there's lots of different tags, and you don't know what is this about. So it's hard. So that's the problem. It's so much power, and you can create so much crazy things that people need to be worried about how they are going to build it. But I think at a certain point this will happen, like lots of custom tags. You're still going to use the native ones. Like you don't need to build a new video. You don't need to build a new date picker. It's really hard. There are so many implementation details around a date picker that you don't want to rebuild one. But I think at some point this is going to happen.
jQuery plugins are the same way, right?
Exactly. Oh,
Using the polyfills you were talking about, are there downsides to the polyfills and stuff like that?
They are, basically because they are big. So if you want to use, like, if you are using all the different things that web components provide for you, like custom elements, templates, shadow DOM, and you want a polyfill for every single piece of this, then it's going to be a little bit, I think it's 140K for the polyfill. It's a really considerable addition to your project. So that's why I don't think it's like the best idea in the world. I would never put this in a really big project right now. But there's a lot of people using web components nowadays. If you go to GitHub, and you may say, oh, this project is like for developers, but there's